meters.
Walking the back.
Turn right.
The traders masukuda shakanaka.
Good driver. Good drive.
See? What you sensor phone? Oh, it's a Let's shape up. Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are very well. Those who are in Africa, you guys are still sleeping. But Statua Pabas, you just know kuti our jobs, they call us anytime. So we don't have time to rest. We don't have time to sleep. Oh, isn't this okay? Yes. This place is very far. 34. So yeah. So guys, one of the diaries, I think maybe she's watching us now. At Fonera. Tatanga kona phone ichipinda kuma 2:30, but because I was very tired, ndasingaipike. Ndazongoona kuti varamba vachingofona, vachifona. Ndokubva vazotumira message kune imwe namba yedu. Vakati mukoma boys taita dambudziko kuno. And the initial plan yanga iri yekuti yedu ndeyekuti we are supposed to go to Mpumalanga. There's another diaries member vakarasikirwa nehama yavo a day before yesterday. So we're supposed to be in Mpumalanga by 8 in the morning. Imwe diaries, I think he's based in UK. Saka akatifonera nezuva akati mukoma munetsi, please make sure kuti by 8 in the morning you have to be in Mpumalanga. Those who know from Joburg to Mpumalanga, I think it's 4 hours drive. Saka ndio journey yatataka plana makusenana. So now avazotifonera, vatanga kufona kuma 2:30. Vakatita kuti mukoma munetsi, please tibatsirewo tawirwa nedambudziko. So we are going to see them. Tona titovabatsira sei. So we are saved to save, and we are brothers keepers. Hatina nguva yekurara, hatina nguva yekuzorora. Whenever there is a calling yekuti tibatsirei, we always make sure kuti tamanya tabatsirana. I know we don't do it that for free, but isusu we always humble ourselves. When my family sakwaya katira kati mukoma munetsi ndawirwa nedambudziko. So now we are going to see the family. Parish nokuti vakamira sei. The time I was talking to them, they are still broken. It's really, but they are still in that situation nokuti they can't really accept kuti chichaitika and so on. So I'll be updating you my diaries during the day. Kuti tafamba sei, I'm going to meet them. Toronga kuti boti ende kuZimbabwe. Saka tangoti timbopaiwo update. I'm giving you the update because munhu ashaikirwa. She's part of the diaries, and then we brought her to remove us again from Mpumalanga. The vakati fonera chona ma diaries futhi. Saka isusu pamunoita kuti vamunetsi tokumbura kuti tishande basa penyu. We always try our best to make sure that we give you the best service. I know there are so many companies that are bigger than Great Hope. Agawandisa, Wangatinalima good reputation, but you guys, you always have confidence with us. Kuti mwana uyu mkoma more boys, ngatiwa supportei, ngatiwa pay basa. This family that we are going to see now, they've made it clear kuti mkoma more boys, whatever happens, mutoro yetu kuisa maoko menyu. Atikuda kuziva kune mwe company, kinoda kuita say we are going to deal with you direct. So yeah. I'll update you, Tashika. I'll update you after Ndasangana and the family, and when we are going to do the other removal in Mpumalanga. I think it's about 4-hour drive. Check update, Tashika, when we meet the family and so on. You always know that all the time, whenever we do any job, we come live. Mona sona basara chino ita, kutumuntu bisise, so that pamunona utanam koma more boys improve. We can always ona kuti ma clients edu ari kuti pa service yakati improve. And whatever advice that you always give us, we always take that very seriously. Aditi, Saka, will update you. My Tapua, how are you? I know I was supposed to my missed calls and I thought I would call you, but Mlungo Zona Kwanda Kwebasara Chona. From now we're going to Oliver, it's part of Pretoria. After Pretoria, we're going to Mpumalanga. After Mpumalanga, we've got some bodies at Kubuda and Asachenda Zimbabwe that I need to be present at Chibuda. But God will give me time so that we can support us. But my Tapua, thank you very much for the support and the t-shirts that you want to offer to Great Hope. Guys, there are some people who are always willing to help us, to support us. She sent me a very powerful message and saying, "Come more boys, just to support your works." So we'll discuss more about that. So that's just an update, guys. One of your diaries, Mayake, and Trukwenda Kundomuona. Let's just pray for the family. I don't know what our family members Kamira say, but as we progress, so no single time say, body Satya, I'll update you Panopa life. Dokumbiro kutumuna matire family la nokwanisa tokuza Kamira say. So update you every move at Nata, Yema funeral repatriations. I always do not talk about my diaries, Dr. Nebasa and Trukwita, those attack with a sport Yakusumuka, Yakwenda Zimbabwe. And so on. Thank you very much. God bless you all. That's a Kangano Kuna Matira, this family. Near Kumpumalanga, but Trupenda Foot. Mama families, Ese, Al Brasikilwania Matao. Things are very difficult, people. I always tell you guys that in Nina Angusakatumunezi, can you give a testimony? I'll tell you guys that testimony and no one every day is the gift of life. I appreciate I know you guys have got many testimonies that we can give now. Think about and so on. In every day. You know, just praise God. Don't waste your day. And whatever you do, just he wants you to save other people. So that's why we always tell you guys that we are saved to save our community. Thank you very much.